was actually going to zip away from the beginning of this video, but I forgot because it's not my style. Hi guys, and welcome to Lesson World. It's Sunday, the 9th of July, and it's a wonderful, lovely, sunny morning here in Yorkshire. So today I'm going out to exercise, but before I exercise, I need to unbox a package. Okay, I've got a package here. And I'm so excited about it because I've been wanting to get my Fabletics jogging pants or tights for over a year. Don't judge me. Procrastination affects many of us, and that includes me. And I'm trying to do better, and I'm so thrilled because I actually got the tights in my hands. So I'm gonna unbox with you. One moment. My glasses are actually steaming up, so I'm gonna remove them, so just bear with. The issue is that I am, is it short-sighted? Yeah, I am short-sighted. When things get a bit like further away, I just struggle. When things are nearby, I'm perfect. So forgive me if I'm now like squinting to actually see what I'm doing and to communicate with you. I can't work with steamed spectacles. So yeah, I am now just going to open this up and I'm trying to cut it open. Oh dear. Actually, you can return your parcel if it's not the right, if the goods are not the right size. And I'm just hoping that I got the right size here. So this is it. Oh sugar. This is it. This is it. And yeah, I've opened it. Oh, let's see. So I got 2 packs. I think I got 2 packs of tights, and I'll open the first one. Ooh la la. This is how they look like. Just black tights. Yeah, black tights like that, like that. So yeah, like that. This is the front. Is it? Yeah, this is the front that I'm showing you. And this is the back. Back. They're high-risted pants, and they're quite long. Story about these tights. The story about these tights. I would have never bought these tights if a friend of mine had not reached out to me. And we've been friends on Facebook for a very long time. And I sent her an email sometime last year, 2 days before my 40th birthday. And she replied me immediately. But what she replied me, I couldn't stomach it, and I just kept on saying, tomorrow I'm going to reply, tomorrow I'm going to reply, tomorrow I'm going to reply. And tomorrow never came. And it's only about 2 days ago, 3 days ago, that's when I was like, no, Shumi, you need to reply her. You can't keep postponing and say, tomorrow I'll reply. So I actually set myself down one evening after supper and I just replied her. And thank God my friend was not like me. She replied me and she was just bowled over by my reply to her and how I was open with her of why I struggled to reply her. And we talked about quite a number of things. And one of the things that we spoke about was actually about being healthier and taking the necessary steps. And after we had that conversation, the following morning she didn't need to write me again, to DM me again, but she did. And when she DM'd me, that is when she really stirred up that desire within me to actually get these Fabletics tights that I've been meaning to get for over a year. She really inspired me. And immediately I came off the messenger chat with her, the term circle of inspiration just dropped into my head, and I was just like, wow, she is in my circle of inspiration, the people who inspire me to be a better person, to be a better Shumi, to be a better lesson world. And I suddenly um, thought that it would be good to actually share this idea of circle of inspiration. I hope you will be inspired to take stock of who is in your circle of inspiration. Who is it who inspires you? Who is in your ear? Who makes you uh, think of things that you'd have never thought of if you were not in their company. You need good people who inspire you to do good things. You need good people who inspire you to make good decisions. You need good people who inspire you to be a better version of yourself. So, because I was inspired and I am blessed and I'm privileged to have this lady as my friend, now I hold the tights that I meant to hold for a very long time. So I've got no more reason why I can't go out walking or go out jogging. I'm actually going to put these on after this, and I'm actually going to go out and walk. And that's the power of inspiration. Now I've got the tights, I'm gonna go out walking, and you guys know I love walking and I absolutely love walking in nature. So I'll catch you when I'm outside. Later, guys. Oh my word, oh my word, oh my word, oh my word. I had to come back. I had to come back. So I had to get the aesthetics. Is that the way you pronounce it? Aesthetics, right? And I got my cup of positivity. I'm not quite sure whether you can read it, but it's a big mug. Uh, the cup of positivity. I love colors, by the way. And yeah, so I was actually going to sip away. I was actually going to sip away from the beginning of this video, but I forgot because it's not my style. It's not my regular style. So it's only after like I clicked stop and I was like, my God, Shumi, you didn't use your cup, your mug. So yeah, apple cider vinegar. So having a bit of this, apparently it helps with weight loss, and I'm on a weight loss journey, and certainly I haven't been consistent on this journey because I forgot I forgot to sip away on the apple cider vinegar. But hey, we're trying and we'll do better. So I'm actually sipping away with a straw. Apparently, the apple cider vinegar is not good for your teeth. It can corrode your teeth, and that's why you need a straw. So I managed to get bamboo straws from B&M, and yeah, and the cup I got it from B&M as well. Not a sponsored video, but I love some of the knickknacks goods that we have in B&M. So what are you gonna be positive about? Do you want to focus? What are you gonna be positive about? Cup of positivity. Do you have positivity within you? Are you full of positivity or negativity? So let's function on positivity. Let it be our fuel. I'm just laughing because I just remembered how Nigerians pronounce fuel. They say fuel. I don't know. Fuel. It's interesting how different nationalities have got different ways of pronouncing different things. I recall when I moved to England and I learned that it's not management, but it's management. And the number of times that I have to actually stop myself and like, wait, brain, stop, think. It's management, but naturally I just want to say management because that is what I grew up hearing when I was in Zimbabwe. By the way, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Shumi Rai. Just call me Shumi. It's simpler that way. I once worked in a nursing home, and this old lady, she asked me my name when I walked into a room, and I was like, Shumira, and she was like, what, pardon? And I kept on repeating, and she gave up, and she was, you know what, I'm just gonna call you Shirley. Shirley and Shumira, two opposite ends. So sometimes I laugh and I'm like, I'm Shumira Shirley. Anyway, I'm gonna go out and yeah, cheers to you. See you outside again. So I made it and I'm out walking and yay! So I'm out and it's coming up to 10 to 12 and I'm walking. Finally made it outside. And the good news is that I'm actually putting on my tights. Yay! So here I was, admiring myself in the window. I felt so victorious for getting my tights.